Egress window sizing follows simple rules to keep bedrooms safe and code compliant. For a typical basement or bedroom egress window, aim for a minimum net clear opening area of 5.7 square feet unless local codes allow 5 square feet for ground level openings. Measure the actual clear area after the window is fully open because frames, grills, and hardware reduce that opening. Ensure a minimum clear opening height of 24 inches and a minimum clear opening width of 20 inches so anyone can pass through without special tools. Keep the finished sill height at no more than 44 inches above the finished floor so occupants can escape or be rescued without extra equipment. If the well or window depth exceeds 42 inches, install permanently fixed ladders or steps that do not reduce the required opening. Position them so they do not obstruct the window operation. When replacing windows, confirm the new unit provides the net clear opening rather than just matching the rough opening dimensions. Use a tape measure and simple arithmetic to calculate the clear area if the manufacturer lists nominal dimensions. For wells and egress, wells include drainage and a cover that is operable from the inside without keys and does not impede the required clear opening. Common mistakes include assuming the labeled window size equals the net clear opening, so measure the clear opening area after installation and adjust by selecting a larger unit or altering the rough opening if the area is insufficient. Another issue is placing the sill too high, which prevents escape, so lower the sill during remodels or add an escape platform or permanent step to meet the 44-inch limit. A third problem is deep wells without ladders, which trap occupants, so provide built-in ladders or steps that remain outside the required clear area and check local codes for maximum allowable well depth. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us list projects, compare contact options, and read community experiences related to egress upgrades and window installation. We host a discussion community where our users share tips and contractor recommendations and where contractors can find new work leads.